Hello, dear subscribers. Hope you all are doing great. A warm welcome to our YouTube channel. Here we upload amazing facts related to food, technology, psychology, horror, and many others. Enjoy the facts and share it with your friends and family. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep supporting. Cows don't actually have your stomachs, they have one stomach with four compartments. The origin and modification of cricket bats over the years. This is extremely HD close-up image of a human eye. If the ozone layer around the earth is destroyed, it would take only 6 minutes for a human to be horribly sunburned due to exposure of the sun rays. We are more creative at night and least creative in the afternoon. A Dutch artist created a cloud in the middle of a room by balancing the temperature, humidity and lightning. The longest train journey in the world starts in Portugal and ends in Vietnam. Pupillar duplex is a rare condition where an individual has two pupils instead of one. No Facebook, no Instagram, no Google, no YouTube. North Koreans can visit only 28 websites. North Korea held election with only one candidate to choose from. North Korea has only 3 TV channels. You could actually swim through the arteries of a blue whale's heart. In China, a man spent 50 years of his life to carve 6,000 steps in a mountain just so his wife could walk easily. This island in Alaska looks like it's just floating in the air. History has proven that whenever a lion and tiger get into a fight, the tiger always wins. South African businessman Max McCarthy's life was saved by his iPhone that took a bullet meant for his head. Three Gorges Dam in China is so massive it has actually slowed down the rotation of the earth. Nature's Bridge in Finland, one of the beautiful places in the world. In 2011, the Android creators created the most advanced and intelligent Android robot. World's first flying car completes historic first intercity flight. Discovered in 1976, the mega mouth shark is an extremely rare species. Scientists from Russia collected and analyzed 300 prehistoric worms from the permafrost in the Arctic. In Germany, they give you €0.25 for every can or plastic bottle you recycle. A platybilon is an early ancestor of the elephant, having a big mouth and shovel-like tusk. This is the edge of a paper at 100 into zoom. According to the Harvard, psychologists, dogs are probably dreaming about their owners when they sleep. A couple had their wedding rings engraved with a waveform of their own voices saying "I do." In the past 3,500 years of mankind, there have been only 230 years of peace throughout the world. Around 400 million years ago, before trees were common, the earth was covered with giant mushrooms. When a person dies, they have 7 minutes of brain activity left. It's the mind playing back the person's good memories in a dream sequence. George Stinney was the youngest person sentenced to death in the 20th century in the United States of America. If 10 crore average humans kept in an isolated place for 8 hours, they will emit enough radiation to kill each one of them within 20 days. Gorillas were once considered as mythical animals that only existed in stories for a long time until they were identified by scientists in 1847. Japanese scientists were able to successfully create an MRI machine that can interpret your dreams and can reconstruct them you to watch while you are awake. A company invented a cigarette with zero effects on health in 1960. Cockroaches were the first organism to be born in space. A total of 33 cockroach babies were born in space. The movie Cannibal Holocaust was so gory and realistic that the director was arrested and charged with murders of the actors. Scientists predicted in 2022 there will be an explosive collision between two neutron stars. A rat king is an extremely rare phenomenon in which rat becomes intertwined at their tails. There was a type of pterodactyl with a bigger wingspan than a fighter jet. Pteronophobia is a fear of being tickled by feathers. Astrobiologists have detected a gas called phosphine in the atmosphere of Venus. Air pollution now kills more people than smoking. The pigeon's bones are lighter than its feathers. One breast is always larger than the others. The more sex you have, the more sex you want, research says. Thanks for watching.